Welcome to another Simple Dad iPhone tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to make your message pop up on your message screen for your iPhone. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So to make your message pop up, you want to go ahead and open up your message app. Next, you want to go to the contact where you want to send the message to. Now you want to go ahead and type in a message. Now you want to long press on this up arrow. Now from this effect screen, you want to go ahead and choose loud, which is here just on the second line. And now your text will start to pop up. Go ahead and tap on the up arrow to send it off. And now you have sent that message with the pop-up effect. And there you go, that is how to make your message pop up on the message screen for your iPhone. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.